Okay, let's go.
All right. Chewing gum. Don't chew gum on video. But I'm gonna chew gum. Yeah, boy. So, this is gonna be a super duper raw 365. For real dough. Faux real dough. Not dough to use your hands, and not dough a deer, but for real dough. Okay? And also, I'm outside because there's like mad renovations happening in my clubhouse. I didn't know that, so it kind of sucked. So you're getting the real deal Holyfield ambient light. The light kind of blows right now, but I got my specs, so that's all that matters. And gum. And it's windy, so if there's wind, apologies. I'm not even throwing an intro on this one, so we're going real. We're going in real. We're going in raw 365 style. Okay, you ready? Let's do it. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, everybody. This is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ for another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and at times, you know the routine, we get weird. So, see, it's so raw. Like, I even forgot to do a little focus on me. Now it's tracing me. Now we got the better end of the deal here. So I had something entirely different that I wanted to talk about tonight, and I was going to do a whole bunch, but I'm going to do this one, and then I'm going to have to go to the studio and do a whole bunch more because I ran out. So today's topic is homework, okay? Homework. Let me ask you guys a question. How do you pass a test? Do you just show up willy-nilly, just figure, I'm going to do it, and just miraculously pull the answers to the test just out of the sky or out of your butt or out of your pocket, or if you're cheating on your hand or something like that? No, you're not going to pass. You're going to bomb it. How do you prepare for an audition? Do you just show up thinking you're going to wing it? You're going to be fed on high how to do that. And then you're going to be like, oh my gosh, I just totally miraculously did it. No, you're going to practice and you're going to practice and you're going to practice. You're going to practice, you're going to practice, you're going to practice this stuff, man. Yeah. That always reminds me of the Lego movie where it's like, where there was that one character in the Lego movie where it's like, I'm happy. Same character, but not really, because I'm not a Lego character. I'm not a cartoon. But I have been told I'm animated a few times, so do with it what you will. So, check it out. Got a couple's wedding coming up, and we went through everything. Like, literally everything. Down to like family heirlooms, something new, something blue, something borrowed, something chimichanga, whatever. We went through everything. More so than probably was necessary, but it needed to be done. Why? Because I want to be prepared for anything that could be thrown my way. I'm actually a little worried the camera's gonna like go twink and crash. And if it does, whoops, makes for a good story. Ha ha ha. Oh, really? I think it'll be okay. I think it'll be okay. It's positioned, if you can see it in the reflection, it's positioned like on a non-turned on fire pit right now with a Gorilla Pod. So I think it'll be okay. We'll see. And at the end of the call went a little bit longer than we had anticipated, but my couple was so appreciative of going over all the details for their wedding day. I'm just a photographer. Photographers at weddings are nothing more than DJs. We just push buttons and turn knobs. Oh, it was a sick burn for all you DJs out there to think you just... We know you're not. You're just pushing buttons and turning knobs just like the rest of us. Yeah. But for reals, like for real dough. Like, it needed to be done. I really wanted to share that with you. Do your homework with your couple. I don't care if it's a 5-minute photo shoot. I don't care if it's a 5-hour or a 5-day photo shoot. Do your homework. Because you know what's really cool? when we were doing our homework, I was able to uncover that we had extra time at the beginning of their day to where I could actually do a photo shoot with them. Like a photo shoot. Something that most couples wish they had time to do that wouldn't be distracted with the caterer. Hey, you got 10 minutes till the chicken's gonna be cold that we're serving that's rubbery. Or you got bridal party members that are wasted out of their brains, not knowing what to do next, or family members, or who knows what. We have a photo shoot that we're going to be able to do before their wedding ceremony because we planned enough time to do it. We did our homework and we were like, we got extra time. Let's do a photo shoot. That's raw, that's real, and that's authentic, and I delivered it in a very weird manner. Yeah, buddy. What do you guys do? What do you do for your homework? Totally share downstairs below in the kilt zone. You know, the kilt zone. The zone where there's a kilt. Some people call it the comments. I call it the kilt zone, but it's the kilt zone. Share downstairs in the kilt zone. Okay, and I'm also gonna throw an intro on this. I know at the beginning of this video I said I wasn't gonna do, oh, the camera's so vibrating. Oh my gosh, there's so much wind. I'm worried it's just gonna literally be like, and I'm gonna be like, oh, my camera, and then we're gonna finish the video, and then we're gonna wrap it up. So yeah, what do you guys do? Share downstairs in the kilt zone. Love to be able to know. Iron sharpens iron. Hello. A rising tide lifts all ships. Eating tacos, when they break apart and they fall into your plate, they turn into nachos. I'm just saying. It's just saying. IJS. And on some days, it's IJSMF. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. And let's wrap it up, okay? Yeah, that's a wimpy. My hands are so dry. It's so, how do we have a land of 1,000,000 billion trillion gazillion lakes and it's like, it's so dry. Like, can you hear that? That's dry. Like, I'm ashy. I'm English and I'm ashy. That is ridiculous. Let's try that snap again. Yeah, let's wrap it up. So that's it, and this is David Esquire coming to you live from EPHQ somewhere around here. And this has been another episode of Raw 365, where we get real, authentic, and weird for 365 days out of the year. And let's see here, if you're liking, commenting, and sharing, if you're not, and if you have any other ideas maybe you wanted me to like address or to talk about, let me know. I don't have a shortage for things to talk about, but I really wanted to talk about this because my couple was really excited about it. And until next time, remember to do something properly and do it, you know, definitely as much as you can. And don't worry, Mr. Pope, I didn't forget. And until next time, remember to do one thing and one thing properly, and you know what it is. Stay caffeinated. Aw, yeah. And I'll see you soon. Here goes the camera. Ah! I'm just joking. Bye, guys.